Ouch.
Alright, it's very harsh at the beginning, but as it goes down, it kind of start to feel refreshing. But oh my god, I think like my breath is stopping or something. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nats, and I hope everyone is happy, healthy, and doing okay. Alright you guys, so this week I am just, well, it's really the weekend. I am taking you through a weekend in my life video. Today is currently Saturday afternoon. It's like 10 minutes to 5 p.m. right now, so I'm just starting to film. And yeah, today has not been very eventful. That is why I'm just starting. I woke up at around midday because usually if I don't go to church on a Saturday, I usually use Saturdays to just rest my body and recoup, watch movies, just chill and all of that stuff. Also Saturdays I get a break from the kitchen, which I am so grateful for. Usually on Saturdays my husband Adam, he normally takes over the kitchen, makes breakfast, makes dinner. Sometimes we eat out, sometimes we don't, but I'm so grateful for that, because during the week I'm always like doing whatever meal prep I had for that week, and usually I'm the one doing most of that cooking. So on weekends he likes to take over, and I am so grateful for that. Today's dinner was very simple, just some Jamaican fried dumplings and some baked beans and sausage. Guys, I swear to you, when Adam cooks I get so excited, because I don't know what it is with men, but whenever they cook, they don't cook often, but whenever they cook, oh my god, you just cannot get enough. Am I right or am I right? All the wives and girlfriends out there that have their men cooking for them, comment down below and tell me if men actually do a good job in the kitchen, because I cannot get enough of Adam's cooking. Alright, and that's enough of me bragging about my husband's cooking. Right now we are getting ready to go on the road to do just a little tiny bit of shopping. To be honest, we were supposed to do some grocery shopping this afternoon, and I'm talking so fast. I don't know why. I am having adrenaline rush maybe. We were supposed to do some grocery shopping today, but actually guys, we sat and we looked at each other when we were supposed to like make the grocery list, and we had no idea what to buy. It's like one of those things in adulting that you can't figure out what to eat, especially when you're in Japan and you don't really eat Japanese food. It is very hard to come up with what to eat for the entire 7 days of the week that's coming up. So we came to an ultimatum. We said, all right, to make things easier, by tomorrow, which is Sunday, please think of 3 things that you want to eat for the upcoming week, and I'll think of 3 things that I want to eat for the upcoming week, and then we'll make our grocery list around that and buy exactly those items, instead of sitting down for 1 hour, 2 hours trying to figure out what we actually want to eat. And then most of the Western food ideas, we cannot get the ingredients here in Japan, so it is a little hard for us. We cannot wait to move to the west side. I cannot be more excited to move from Japan, you guys. You have no idea. Anyways, I know that we are not going to be doing grocery shopping. We decided that we're just going to go to some stores and spend some money. So I want to go to the dollar store to pick up a few stuff. I'll show you guys around the dollar store. Many of you were asking me on the live the other day to show you more of Daiso and inside of there, so I'm going in there. Adam wants to get some clothing pieces at GU, so we're going to hop into there as well, and then maybe that will be it for today's weekend episode of this video. So yeah guys, let's go, let's check in on Adam, and then let's head on the road. Babe, are you ready?
Oh yeah, let's go.
Let us go. Alright you guys, also you guys, if you have not get on the pop socket train yet, I do not know what you are doing. Like, pop sockets have been around for a while, but I just got on them, and oh my god, does it make things easier when it comes on the phone. Like guys, this is me holding my phone. This is like literally me holding my phone without no commitment, no anything. The phone is not sliding out of my hands or anything. Pop socket like really needs to sponsor me, because I'm so in love with this stuff. You guys need to get on it if you have not yet. And if you want my exact pop socket, I don't know if you can see like the design right there. like a little watercolor marblish design. If you want it, the link will be in the description box below, so do check out my description to get this product. Guys, I absolutely love pop sockets. You have no idea. You guys, so we're heading into GU. I don't know if you guys can see the sign all the way to the top up there, but we're heading on this mall here. I think it's this way, using the elevator. I hate using the elevator right now, but we're going to this store on the first floor. You guys, we have to take our temperature right there on a thing. Wow. You guys, so that temperature thing, I actually did not know that GU was doing that. I guess if it flashes red, that would mean it's a no-go. We're really just here for Adam to do some shopping. You guys, this is me. I really do not dress up to go on the road. Just regular clothes. What are you looking for? Work pants? He just wants 2 pants, guys. He's not like... This blue is nice. Are you allowed to try pants? What is this on your pants?
The reason I'm not gonna show it.
Oh, this drum bag is cute, you guys. This is nice. Ooh, sweater dresses. This is cute. I could probably buy it, but it's for like $2,990. This is nice. Guys, I love these sweaters. Oh my god. Look at even these ones. Look at the price. This is nice. The material is so good. a beret. Oh, look at these cardigans. Perfect for winter and autumn. A little Japanese fashion for you guys. Go to my favorite section, which is the pajama section. Like, oh my god, I love pajamas so much. And this set is calling my name. Pajamas are so expensive in Japan, you guys. You'd be surprised at just how much money pajamas cost here. You guys, Adam's tail is shopping and then he says I take long. Ha ha ha. That's a lot of money for clothes, for just pants. Look at that money climb, you guys. Wow. Wow. Guys, just look at how he's taking his time to just fold the clothes neatly and nicely and put it into a bag. Like, the customer service in Japan, top notch. All right. Mind our business and walk. We can't afford a Galaxy S7, S20 in a bag. 112,000 yen for the new Samsung S20.
That sound like evil.
It would be affordable, yeah, about 1,000. It would be affordable for us if we weren't saving.
1 month buy that quick.
Yeah, like in 1 month we could buy a phone. Alright guys, so welcome to my favorite store. This is where I'm always at, in Daiso, the dollar store. You know how the thing goes. You have to be like bougie and a budget and all these things when it comes down to everything. So guys, really and truly, in Daiso you can get anything. Like here you see like birthday stuff, kitchen stuff, like everything that you need for your kitchen you can get in Daiso. But of course you have to pick and choose what you buy in Daiso in terms of house stuff, because some things you really want the best quality, other things it doesn't matter. Also, you guys, what's with all of these scary Halloween things? So yes, by the way, I recorded this video in Halloween time, so you'll be seeing Halloween decor in Daiso. But I promise to get you in Daiso for Christmas to let you guys see what's up inside there. But man, these things are scary.
A few minutes later.
Alright you guys, so I am back from off of the road and I have the bag of stuff here with me. You guys will see what we picked up. So let me just get straight into the haul because it's only one day from this weekend and I feel like this video is already so long. Let me just close my window so I don't disturb the neighbors. Alright, so let's get into the haul. The bag is like right here guys. It is like so big. This is the big old bag. Alright, is the lighting even crazy? Alright, the lighting looks fine. Do not mind anything that you're seeing inside of this office. It's not cleaned, but I'm going to show you what I have anyway. And this is the receipt. Alright, so first things first, Adam went to GU to pick up a few clothing pieces. He actually threw out a whole lot of pants the other day, so he said he wanted some pants. So he went into GU and he got 4 pants, or this looks like 3 pants. Yeah, he got 3 pairs of pants, and yeah. As for a try-on haul, I do not know if Adam would be comfortable doing a try-on haul for you guys. Frankly, I don't even think you guys are interested in seeing Adam try on clothes. But this is what he got in GU, and he paid he also got them altered too. So in GU, guys, for ladies too, this is important information for ladies. If you really like something in GU and it cannot fit, as in it is too big, or it fits right but you just want it to, you know, be altered just a little bit in some areas, GU actually does altering. Adam altered his pants and he paid like maybe $300 extra or so. So in GU he spent 12,275 yen. That is about 120 US, yeah, thereabout. And he actually picked up 1 cardigan for me, and that was 790 yen for it. It was on sale, you guys. I'm going to try it on, maybe in this video, I'm not sure. But I saw something else in GU that I want. It's a work skirt, guys, and it was on the sale rack for 100 yen, like literally $1 US. So when I realized, when I went back to pick up Adam's pants, I didn't bring the money with me, so I could not buy it. But tomorrow we're going back on the road, and I'm definitely going to buy that skirt. It was a medium, so I hope it can fit. But for 100 yen, definitely worth a try, isn't it? Anyway, let's go to Daiso, because that is really the star of the show. That's where I spent most of the money today. So let me just show you what I have. So first things first, I got this like canister thing, and to be honest, you guys, I did not buy this for storage issues. I just bought it to be able to use this here to hold like my utensils, to put the utensils down in there. I'll show you guys what it looks like when I actually do it, maybe tomorrow. But yeah, I want to move where my utensils are right now, because a lot of stuff is just in that area. It's a high traffic area, and I want to like move them. So I'm kind of just thinking. And then in Japan, we cannot get the good utensil holders that are in like the West, like those nice pretty things that you can get in Target to hold your utensils and so on. Those are not here, guys. Those are not here, and that is one of the reasons I cannot wait to go back to the West, because I think I'm missing out on so much pretty nice home things that I just don't have access to in Japan. Anyway, you guys, next up is some shavers. Yeah, I got 2 packs of just razors to shave my armpits and the things, you know. So yeah, though they were both 100 yen, so 200 yen for both of them. Razors. Next, you guys, I'm sure you saw this cute coffee mug that I picked up. Like, I had to buy. Like, coffee mug was not on my list of things to buy, but oh my god, how cute is this mug? Like, let me focus on this thing. Like, how cute is this mug? It has like the little grace on it, and has this purple color, and it's deep. Oh wow, I cannot wait to drink coffee from this. As a matter of fact, I might wash it and drink decaf coffee in this tonight. I cannot wait, you guys. It's so cute, and it was for 200 yen. So like I said, you guys, not everything in Daiso is for 100 yen. It really just depends, but nothing goes over 1,000 yen, I think. At least I've never seen anything gone over 1,000 yen. Alright, next up, not too fussy, but I got a lot of aroma diffusers. So like things like these, you guys, they are just aroma diffusers. They empty very quickly. I think that's just because they are cheap, but they smell really good, and they are the only things that I realize that keeps my house smelling fresh, because the things like the Eric one that you can like turn and it scents up the house, it does not last, and these are the only thing that have been working for us. So I bought 7 of them for all of the rooms inside of the house. So I got a floral one. I got a floral one, you guys. Maybe I'll put this one in the bedroom. I got white musk. I really love this scent, the white musk scent. So I got just 1 white musk actually. I got 2 white musk. I have white musk here as well. I have an ocean scent. It looks like this. And I have like 2 mini scented ones, I think Disney kind of stuff. These I'm going to put in the bathroom so they smell more berry-ish. Yeah, but next up is we actually got some toothbrush, what do they call these? Some brush heads. Oh my god, we got some brush heads, some changeable brush heads, some replacement brush heads, guys, because the brush heads on our toothbrushes now are very worn out, and these are there. We did not get these in Daiso. I went into the supermarket to pick these up, and they are pretty expensive, you guys. This is what it looks like. They're pretty expensive. I think this was like 2,000 yen, but 1 packet does have 2, so we did not have to buy 2 separate ones. So I guess that does it. Next, I bought a whole lot of where's the lighting though? Alright, there you go. Next, I bought a whole bunch of utensils, you guys, because utensils are short inside of this house. I think we have like 6 forks and like 4 spoons, and like sometimes we just continuously eat and all of the things, and so we always don't have forks and spoons remaining. So I bought 2 packs of spoons. 2 packs of spoons, and guys, these are all 100 yen in the dollar store. So when you come into Japan, you do not have to break the bank to buy all expensive spoons and forks for 300 and 400 and 500 and even thousands of dollars. Just go into Daiso or Seria and pick up your utensils, okay? They do the same job. So I picked up 2 packs of spoons, and they're not bad looking anyway, guys. As you can see, they're not bad looking at all. And then I picked up 2 packs of forks. So yeah, they're not bad looking at all, and they all come with 3. So this one comes with 3 forks, this one comes with 4 forks, and I have 3 spoons in each packet. So we should be set with utensils right now. Alright, next is I got a 2021 desk planner, just a simple calendar just for me to like put all my stuff in for next year. Very simple. All of the like 2021 collection calendars and so on are coming out now, so I just picked up this because I think it was really cute. So I pick it up. I'm gonna save it until next year to use it, of course, but you know, I got it anyway. 100 yen, it won't hurt. And last but not least, something very unusual. I actually never bought this before, but this is just breath spray. That is what it looks like. It's in a lemon flavor. Guys, to be honest, I have never used a breath spray before. I don't know what to expect or anything, but it was only 200 yen, and I say, you know, why not? As a matter of fact, let me try it with you guys. Oh Lord, let me try it with you guys. So guys, in Jamaica, something in this packaging. In Jamaica, something in this packaging. Is the camera focusing? Guys, I don't know if you guys can see anything. In Jamaica, in this packaging, usually we just tear this thing apart, but in Japan they actually have the open thing right here. You guys, like right here. It's focusing on my face. Focus on this, please. There you go. Right here, guys, it has the open thing that you can just use to tear it. And in Japan, they always put how to open packages on there so that things are easy. So let us just try this breath spray real quick. Ouch. Ouch. Alright, it's very harsh at the beginning, but as it goes down, it kind of starts to feel refreshing. But oh my god, I think like my breath is stopping or something. Wow. Yeah, I probably would not recommend this. I've never used a breath spray before, so I actually do not know what to expect, but I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Anyway guys, that is it for the dollar store haul. I do hope that you enjoyed like seeing inside of the dollar store, because I did get some clips for you guys. Of course, I'm going to do a full on Daiso showing you around all the areas and stuff that I have in Daiso, but today I just wanted to show you just the bare minimum and like what I picked up. So I do hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Right now I am going to bathe and finish up cleaning up the house for the rest of the night, and then watch some movies with Adam. That is really how our Saturday night goes. And then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh, you guys, and I just wanted to know that everything that you saw that I picked up from Daiso cost 2,042 yen. Here is my receipt. 2,042 yen. So basically 200 bucks. No, not 200 bucks, Natty. That is not 200 bucks. 20 $1,000. No, $20. That is 20 US dollars thereabout. That is what I spent. Oh, I'm tired. I need to stop filming. That is why I'm speaking gibberish.